Alright, doing a diagnostic on this Sub-Zero 501R. Right now we're taking a look behind on the evaporator coil. Taking a look at the frost pattern, and you could see where the caliper 2 comes into the evaporator there. Barely any frost at all on the evaporator. So I can tell this unit is really low on coolant. But take a look at the evaporator. Look at the condition of it. And right here we have the cold control device. This will turn the refrigerator on and off. Keep it at the temperature that it's set at. And see, the cold control is pretty warm there. That's just the bulb to illuminate the number there. Alright, so cold control, evaporator coil. Alright, I'm gonna look down under the machine compartment next. Let me just put this back over here. Alright, 1 second. That up there. Alright, just a sec while I Alright, so it's the defrost drain pan. You could see the defrost drain tube there. Let's take a look under here into the machine compartment. So you can see the condenser coil does need a little cleaning, but that's not the cause of the no cooling issue. We're gonna come over here. You can see the condenser fan running, and there you have the compressor. But what we want to take a look at is over here on this side, where you could see the drain pan. That's the condensate loop that's sitting in the drain pan to help the water evaporate. And you can actually see the condition of the copper that's sitting in the condenser in the drain pan. They got this drain tube that's coming from the drain pan from the evaporator. Alright, so it's gonna need a complete rebuild with new condenser loop and compressor assembly and so forth.